Juan Pablo Ramírez. I study in Academy Home School. I am in 6th grade, and this is my free activity for English. The topic that I choose is subject pronouns. Definition of subject pronouns. Subjective pronouns are the words in a sentence that refer to the person performing the action of the verb. Example: I, you, we, it, and the others. Subject pronoun type of person. The subject pronoun I is in first person, you in second person, he in third person, she in third person, it in third person, we in first person, you in second person, and they in third person. How to use subject pronouns? As I can see, personal pronouns in English are used to replace the part of the sentence that is known as either subject or object. Example: he is an actor. It is a beautiful country. We went to the store. It is very important. They are fun activities. Thank you.